What if your Google Play Store is not working? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on what to do if your Google Play Store is not working. First things first, scroll down notification bar and go to your device settings. Here, go to apps, open the apps again. Once it loads up, search for Google Play Store. Here you can find Google Play Store. Open it and go to storage, and here clear the cache and clear the data. If it still doesn't work, go to apps again and again to apps and tap on the three dot icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Here go to show system processors and search for download manager. Open it and go to storage once again, and again clear the cache and clear the data. Once you have done this, your Google Play Store will be running in no time. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.